In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize themes on your Google site. Whether you're building a personal blog, a business page, or an educational site, personalizing your site can significantly enhance its appeal and usability. Let's dive straight in and explore how you can effortlessly design a personalized theme using Google Sites. First, you'll want to open up your Google site. This is your starting point for accessing all the features we'll need today. If you haven't already, log into your Google account and navigate to Google Sites. You can find this easily by searching for it in your browser or accessing it through the Google Apps menu if you're already using other Google services. Once you're within your Google site, direct your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see various options to customize your site, but for our purposes, we're focusing on themes. Click on the Themes option to open up a range of preset and customizable choices. Themes are a fantastic way to give your site a cohesive appearance by controlling colors, fonts, and layouts across every page. Now, to inject a bit of your own style, let's create a custom theme. Click on Custom Themes to get started. This feature allows you to craft a theme that truly reflects your site's purpose or your own personal taste. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your theme, so think of something that captures either the project or the aesthetic you're aiming for. Once you've settled on a name, click Next to continue. Now, one of the exciting parts, selecting colors. Google Sites allows you to choose a color palette that suits your mood or brand identity. You're going to select dark colors for this particular project, which can add a sleek, modern feel to your site. Dark themes are not only stylish, but often easier on the eyes, especially in low-light environments. After selecting your preferred shades, click Next. These colors will be applied throughout your site to buttons, backgrounds, and text for a uniform look. Finally, review your selections and click Create Theme. Your theme is now active, and you'll see the adjustments applied across your site. This new theme will ensure that everything from the header to the footer adheres to the design choices you've just made without manually modifying each individual page. And there you have it. You've learned how to effectively navigate Google Sites to create and apply your own custom theme. This should empower you not only to aesthetically enhance your site, but also provide a more engaging and enjoyable experience for your visitors. So go ahead, explore the various options within the custom themes, refine your designs, and make your Google site a standout. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.